Welcome to another episode of 2 Minute Tech Time. Today we're going to be looking at CCing cylinder heads. This is all part of your engine blueprinting and will assist you in calculating your compression ratio. So in order to measure the CCs of your cylinder head, we need a few things. One, we're going to use some water. Two, we're going to use a syringe. In this case, over 60ml, anything will do. And whether or not you're V-dub or not, you'll need something to keep the water in. And this is all part of a kit for the Volkswagen. And it's a piece of plastic measured to fit inside the head to prevent the water from escaping. Let's get stuck in. So depending on your head that you're measuring for this V-dub, we're going to put our plastic in, nice and firm down to make sure the water doesn't run away. Now we're going to go and suck up some water. Do it in stages. Depending on the CCs of your cylinder head, you may have to do it a couple of times. So let's see what we got. So in this case, let's bring it down to 30 ml. Now gently we're going to feed that water into the cylinder head. Notice how there's a little port there in the perspex. Fill her up. I've run out of water, so I'm going to suck some more. Let's go another 30 cc's. Got 30. Now you can see the water through the perspex in this case. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but you'll see when the cylinder starts to become full, or the combustion chamber starts to become full. Here we go. Slowly filling. And that's full of water now. How much do we have left? So in this case we have approximately 1.5 to 2 mils left. So let's call this cylinder 1. We had 30 mils. Then we took another batch of 30 mils and had 2 mils left. Therefore we used 28 mil, 30 minus 2. Therefore, cylinder number 1 is 58 ml or 58 cc. Rinse and repeat for all your other cylinders. Just make sure you have the same cc across all cylinders to balance. This will all feed into your compression ratio calculations as part of blueprinting your engine. Thanks for watching.